The key with this product is that every ingredient has a role. The idea is that aging is a degenerative process because we lose collagen, we lose elastin, we lose a lot of the structural support on the skin. So the scaffold falls and we get more wrinkles, more dehydrated skin look. What's key is that every element in this formulation is there to support the skin. Published data shows improvement in wrinkles, improvement in texture, hydration, and firmness, which is really key. Now, putting all this together in one unified way is something unique that no one's done before. I wanted to create a supplement company that doesn't exist. Everything had to be science-backed. It had to be safe, not only for my patients, but for myself and my family. It's something that complements all the procedures that we do. Every patient that has surgery takes it. Is this just designed for someone who's having microneedling treatments? The answer is no. Most of the patients take it without even doing any kind of collagen induction because the skin does need to have support. This is an inside out support. They say destiny has some sort of an, sideways that sometimes you go. About a year ago, I was diagnosed with a genetic heart condition. And this was at a time where my book was ready to be published. And I told my publisher, I said, I was just diagnosed with a condition that I have to have heart surgery. But I feel like this was just meant to be. This whole thing where I deep dived into nutrition, the result ended up being that I had my heart surgery. I was in the hospital only for 4 days. Most people spend about 8 to 10 days in the hospital, and I was back to work after 6 weeks. I've never felt better in my life. I feel stronger, I feel more grateful, I feel more grounded, and I feel more focused. It was part of my destiny. The ultimate story is that we have this product that helped me. I took it I was taking 16 different supplements for my recovery. Now you only take one powder. If you want to learn more or this is something you're interested in, please visit mendorahealth.com or click the link in our bio. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please let us know below.